So what explanation Tricky's owner means here? Tricky owners means Mrs. Pumphrey start giving to Mr. Heroid, who is a veterinary surgeon. Also, he told that Tricky was malnourished because he did not have any energy and excitement. She told him that she used to give him malt, cod liver oil and bowl of Horlicks at night apart from his regular meals. ओके तो जो वो रोज़ उसका मील था, डिस्पाइट ऑफ हिज मील वो उनको ये सब चीज़ें भी देती थी, ट्रिकी को वो ये सब चीज़ें भी देती थी सो दैट ही कुड स्लीप एट नाइट, जिससे कि वो आराम से रात को सो सके. ऑल्दो शी गेव हिम सो मच टू ईट, शी सेज दैट शी डजंट गिव हिम मच टू ईट. ओके, ऑल्दो शी गिव्स सो मच थिंग्स टू ईट डिस्पाइट हिज रेगुलर मील. व्हाट मीन्स वो उसको काफ़ी कुछ देती थी डिस्पाइट उसकी रेगुलर मील्स को हटाकर, एंड वो सिर्फ ये बोलती थी कि शी डजंट गिव हिम मच टू ईट. कॉड लिवर मीन्स ऑयल प्रेस्ड फ्रॉम द लिवर ऑफ कॉड, एंड malnutrition मीन्स लैक ऑफ प्रॉपर न्यूट्रिशन. And did you cut down on the sweet things as I told you? Oh, I did for a bit, but he seems to be so weak, I had to relent. He does love cream cakes and chocolates, and so I can't bear to refuse him. So now the narrator is saying that narrator asked her if she had cut down on his sweets as he had asked her to do, to which she replies that she did it for a while, but she felt that he was getting weaker day by day, because of which she had to stop being so harsh with him. कि उन्होंने जो है उसके मील थोड़ा कम करा, उसकी स्वीट्स थोड़ी कम करी, तो उन्होंने बोला हाँ मैंने करा था आपके कहने के अकॉर्डिंग, लेकिन मैंने फिर जब नोटिस किया कि मैं उसके साथ इतना हार्श हो रही हूँ, उससे वो काफ़ी वीक हो रहा है. ठीक है. सो ऑल्सो शी से दैट शी इज़ अनेबल टू रिफ्यूज़ हिम, और वो उन्होंने बताया कि वो उसको मना भी नहीं कर पा रही हैं बिकॉज ही लव्स केक्स एंड चॉकलेट्स क्रीम एज दोज वर हिज फेवरेट थिंग. देन द नरेटर अंडरस्टूड द ट्रिकी प्रॉब्लम. ठीक है, ना ही अंडरस्टूड द ट्रिकी प्रॉब्लम. द डॉग वॉज वेरी ग्रीडी एंड कुड ईट एट एनी टाइम ऑफ द डे. He did not know how to say no to food when his stomach was full. मतलब वो इतना खाता था कि उसका जब ऑलमोस्ट स्टमक बिल्कुल फुल हो जाता था, उसके बाद भी उसके सामने अगर वो खाना देती थी तो वो उसको खा लेता था. He was very greedy, very selfish about the food, and he could eat at any time of the day. So the narrator also thought to himself all of the things that Mrs. Pumphrey would not have mentioned, which she fed Tricky. So again the narrator asks Mrs. Pumphrey whether Tricky was exercising, to which Mrs. Pumphrey replies that she does take him out for a walk once in a while, but he is not playing his rings throwing exercises, as the gardener who takes him out to play is not coming these days because of pain in his lower back. So here Hodgins is the gardener, and he's saying that he has been down with lumbago, so there has been no ring throwing lately. Lumbago means pain in the muscles and joints of the lower back. Because of that the exercise was not going on, and relent means become less severe or intense. Moving on, next page. I tried to sound severe. Now I really mean this. If you don't cut his food right down and give him more exercise, he is going to be really ill. Okay, now what that doctor means, that veterinary doctor is the narrator. The narrator tried to talk seriously to Mrs. Pumphrey that if she did not control Tricky eating habits and increase his exercise, he would soon fall ill. Okay, because of this thing he will fall ill. He told her that she should stay strong and strict with him and put him on a diet. Means उसको कभी भी खाना देना, उसका कोई schedule नहीं होना that will lead him to fall ill. So he recommend him to follow the proper diet and to put him on a proper diet. So here Mrs. Pumphrey accepted that although she knew that Mr. Heroid was very right. Okay, he knew that he was very right, but it was too difficult for her to refuse him for anything because of her immense love. कि वो उनसे बहुत ज़्यादा प्यार करती थी, वो ट्रिकी से बहुत ज़्यादा प्यार करती थी और उसको रिफ्यूज़ नहीं कर पाती थी किसी भी चीज़ के लिए. बट देन शी लेफ्ट द प्लेस एज इफ शी वॉज नाउ रेडी टू फॉलो द न्यू रूटीन प्रॉपरली. Here now Mr. Heroid was watching them going and looking at Tricky walk unsteadily. So the narrator was also looking at the tweed coat that Tricky was wearing. He had a wardrobe full of these coats and also raincoat for the rainy days. This line also says that Mr. Pumphrey was very rich lady and she